In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Stripe with your QuickBooks account by installing the app from the QuickBooks App Store. This integration is a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their payment processing and accounting tasks, so let's dive right in. The first step is to navigate to the QuickBooks App Store. You can do this by opening your QuickBooks Online account and locating the Apps menu on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it, and you will be directed to the QuickBooks App Store, which is a fantastic resource for discovering a variety of applications that work with QuickBooks. Once there, you'll notice a search bar conveniently placed on the page. Use it to locate the Stripe app. Simply type Stripe into the search bar and press enter. You'll see the Stripe app listed among the search results. Scan the list carefully to ensure that you're selecting the correct app, as there might be several similar options. Choose the Stripe app, and you'll be taken to a dedicated page where you can learn more about the features and benefits of using Stripe with QuickBooks. Now, if you're satisfied with everything you see on the app's description page, the next step is to install it. Look for the Get App Now button, which is usually displayed prominently on the page. Once you click this button, you'll be required to authorize the connection between QuickBooks and Stripe. During this process, you'll need to sign in to your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll have the option to set one up right then and there. It's a fairly straightforward process, but make sure to keep your business details handy, as this will make the setup even smoother. Once you've logged into your Stripe account, you'll be prompted to allow certain permissions between Stripe and QuickBooks. This is an important step, as granting these permissions enables the two platforms to share and sync data seamlessly. It's all designed to make your bookkeeping and payment collections more efficient, so rest assured the process is secure. Go ahead and authorize these permissions. Congratulations! You've installed and connected Stripe to your QuickBooks account. To confirm everything is set up correctly, you can navigate back to the QuickBooks Apps section and see Stripe listed among your connected apps. From here on, you'll be able to manage transactions and payments with incredible ease. If you encounter any issues or need assistance during the process, both QuickBooks and Stripe offer extensive customer support and detailed help articles that you can refer to. Integrating these two powerful tools is a great way to boost your business's efficiency, making payment processing and accounting a breeze. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.